Sophie doing, huh? Good morning. Good morning, sweet bum. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Yeah, you cute girl. Yeah, mommy loves you. You want a treat? Do you want a treat? Yeah, you do. You want a treat. The pup wants a nice little treat. Yes, she does. There you go. Good girl. Yum, yum, yum. Sophie's so spoiled, huh? You're so spoiled, baby. I love you. Yeah, I love you. Yoga with your dog doesn't work too well. Good morning yoga makes me feel better, so this is my morning yoga. I can't even do it because this dog is on me. Too bad. So sad. Love you guys. See you soon. Burp, burp, burp. Good morning, YouTubers. It is Saturday, December 14th at 9:08. I got out of the shower, and I had to get out of the shower because I had to toot. So, here we go. It's really small, but enjoy. It smells like rotten eggs, and nobody wants to smell the smell of rotten eggs, because that's just too much. Who wants to smell rotten eggs? I don't even, I like eggs, but not rotten. It's like my shirt. I'm not really like a sports, I think this is baseball. I'm not a baseball person. I'll play it though. I'm more of a volleyball. I'm a volleyball person. I like football, basketball, soccer, all that good stuff. And I guess I'll do some of my hair, because why not? I need my brush. There's hair in it. Gross. Yummy! Look, yummy hair. And yes, there's a dog cage behind me. When my dog's bad and I don't want to see her, she goes in the cage for at least 5-10 minutes, and then I let her back out. And give her a treat, because she's such a good girl. Except for when she's being a jerk. Oh, naughty hair, what's going on? There's a knot in my hair. Right there. Oh, what the hell? Get out, knot. I need to get my hair trimmed. Probably gonna do that in the 20th. My hair is has dead ends. Okay. So use this guy. I don't mind. Stinky girl, I'm so dirty. I fart like too much. I'm very lucky that my spouse loves my toots, because if he didn't, I'd be out of a husband. Hello, guys. Hope you enjoyed that one. Hi guys, so today it is raining outside and it's kind of poopy. I have to go travel my way over to get the green bin, and then I'm gonna smoke a bong. My travels are a far distance. The green bin is like somewhere over there, all the way at the end of the street. That's what you get for being in the country, right? But I'm going. I can only walk so damn fast. And this trail right here is pretty far. I feel like I'm taking a nice long fucking walk on the, I wish the beach, but in a forest or something. I'm almost there. I'm gonna show you guys something cool because I like it. It's pretty funny. It's a mailbox. Gotta show you the mailbox. See? Look at the mailbox. Isn't he so funny? He's cute. And then the next door neighbors, they also have one. And the guy is on a horse. And he's dressed up like Santa Claus. I got my basket, guys. I'm sure you don't want to watch me bring it back, so stay tuned. Hi guys, I am back. I just have like a little bit of a question. I don't understand why I have haters. They think that my videos are fake. Honey, none of my videos are fake. My toots are real. And the reason why you're hating on me is because you're jealous. And unfortunately, you're a guy. So it's really weird, Carl, or whatever your name is. And, yeah. It doesn't bug me. I just hope you know that. Like, no tears from my side. You're the bully, not me. You're harassing me. I'm not harassing you. And the only reason why my video got deleted is because you guys wanted me to do a toilet thing, and I'm not. Someone reported me for nudity and sexual contact, which I had no nudity, and taking a shit is not sexual. Like, what is your problem? Why don't you guys get off your high horse? If you guys don't like me, don't watch me. Like, stop wasting your time. Go hate somewhere else. Maybe look in the mirror and find yourself. There's something wrong with people that like to put other people down. It really ticks me off. There's no reason. If you want to be a bully, go bully yourself. No one needs your crap. Stay tuned. I'm sure I'll be farting again. And guess what? It will be real. There's a nice burp for you guys. To be honest, since somebody posted that crap, I kind of got on my nerves, and I don't really want to do any more videos right now. So, I think this is the end of the videos for today. Unless something changes, because I'm not posting videos for people just to hate on me. I'm not a punching bag. I have my own problems, and I don't need anybody's rude words. It's unnecessary. So enjoy the videos that I have posted, and please stop bullying people. Stop commenting on my stuff. Don't be inappropriate, and just enjoy. Like, this, the only reason why I'm doing YouTube videos is to let you guys enjoy my videos. Like, I'm doing it because I enjoy it myself. So please stay tuned if you like me. If not, stop commenting on my stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and favorite. Don't forget, 1,000 subscribers, I will be shaving my freaking eyebrows. Don't forget, because it's going to happen, and so will Justin. Stay tuned.